Hello future astronauts. We are back to help you take the flight of your dreams. But manners first. We will greet and say hello to the members of our star, our sun's family. Here is a recap of our solar system. We met the stars of the night and our sun. Then we talked about the planets of our solar system, including our very own blue one. And last but not the least, we visited our moon, the jewel of the night. There are some other members as well we didn't get a chance to meet in the previous video. It's time for a family reunion. You do know about the dinosaurs, right? Those big creatures in the Jurassic Park. What happened to them? Where are they now? We don't know for sure, but there is much evidence that a large asteroid collision wiped them out. Asteroids are large rocky bodies orbiting the sun. Meteoroids are their smaller sized cousins. Now, meteoroids are like your innocent little cousins that many people like to see every year, but on the other hand, asteroids are just like those annoying ones. So when even a single asteroid flies close to Earth, the whole planet goes by alarm. That's how dangerous these devils are. Asteroids are mainly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, while meteor showers such as the Perseids can be seen on 12th August of every year at over 1 meteor per minute. Now if you take God's iPad and zoom out on the solar system, you will witness many such stars with their own families. Over years, many scientists, philosophers, and travelers have identified patterns and figures from the position of these stars, the way they appear from the Earth. We call these patterns constellations. You can trace some of them out in the night from your own backyard. The Orion and the Ursa Major, that is, the Saptarishi, are some of the most famous ones. Do you want to know something more interesting? Your birth month has a zodiac sign. Do you know the zodiac sign of your birth month as well? Are you a Leo, Aries, or a Gemini? Even these zodiac signs are constellations. How amazing! I know it's very intense, but let's imagine it like this. We are like a drop of water in an ocean full of stars. Go back to the God's iPad, but this time zoom out a little harder and you will see millions of stars grouped together to form a galaxy. Our sun lies in the Milky Way galaxy, also known as the Akash Ganga. We are all part of one big galactic family. Who knows, maybe one day we will find our cousins as well, more excitingly say hi to them. But that's a topic for another day. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.